Welcome to day 14 of Wisdom Academy AI, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled AI guide, and I'm so excited to be here today. Have you ever wondered how AI can make decisions like a human, splitting choices into simple yes or no paths? We're diving into decision trees and random forests, powerful tools for classification. I've brought my best friend Sophia to share the magic. Decision trees are our focus today, and I'm so excited. They're a supervised machine learning algorithm used for classification tasks in AI. They have a tree structure with nodes, branches, and leaves, guiding decisions step by step. They split data based on feature conditions, like age or income, to classify. For example, they can classify customers as churn or not based on their features. It's a simple, magical decision-making tool. I'm thrilled to explore it. Why use decision trees? Let's find out. I'm so thrilled. They're easy to understand and visualize, making them great for beginners in AI. They work for both classification and regression tasks, offering versatility in modeling. They handle non-linear relationships in data, capturing complex patterns effectively. For example, they can predict if a loan is risky, helping banks decide. Decision trees are a beginner-friendly spell for AI. I'm so excited to use them. Splitting criteria are crucial in decision trees, and I'm so eager to share. They use metrics like Gini impurity and entropy to decide where to split the data. Gini impurity measures how mixed the classes are in a split, aiming for purity. Entropy measures the randomness in the data, seeking to reduce uncertainty with each split. The tree chooses the split that reduces impurity the most, creating better separations. This is a key step in tree magic. I'm so excited to understand it. Now let's explore random forests, and I'm so excited. They're an ensemble of many decision trees, working together to make better predictions. Each tree in the forest votes on the classification, combining their decisions for a final answer. This reduces overfitting by averaging the predictions, smoothing out errors from individual trees. Random forests are often more accurate than a single decision tree, improving reliability. It's a forest of magical AI decisions. I'm thrilled to dive into it. Why use random forests? I'm so thrilled to share the benefits. They're more accurate than single decision trees thanks to the power of ensemble learning. They reduce overfitting by combining predictions from many trees, making the model more robust. They handle large datasets and many features well, scaling effectively for complex problems. For example, they can classify diseases based on many symptoms, aiding diagnosis. Random forests are a magical upgrade to tree power. I'm so excited to use them. Evaluating decision trees and random forests is key, and I'm so eager. We use metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall to measure classification performance. A confusion matrix shows true positives, false negatives, and other outcomes for detailed insights. Random forests also provide feature importance, showing which features matter most in predictions. This ensures our tree magic is effective, confirming the model's reliability. Let's measure our spell's success. I'm so excited to see the results. Feature importance in random forests is fascinating, and I'm so thrilled. It shows which features influence predictions the most, highlighting their impact on the model. For example, income might be the most important feature for predicting customer churn, guiding decisions. This helps us interpret the model's decisions, understanding why it classifies as it does. It's also useful for feature selection in future models, focusing on key predictors. This gives a magical insight into AI decisions. I'm so excited to explore it. Here are tips for using decision trees and random forests, and I'm so thrilled. Start with decision trees for simplicity, as they're easier to understand when beginning. Use random forests when you need better accuracy, leveraging their ensemble power. Visualize trees to understand their decisions, making the process clearer for analysis. Tune hyperparameters, like tree count, for optimal performance using cross-validation. Keep practicing your tree magic. I'm so excited for your progress.